exciting day, and today we find out how amazing
I actually am on a pit bike. I'm at the start of my journey learning to race, never ridden a motorbike, and I started off back in January with a bit of motocross, but now it is finally time to hit the tarmac and give it a go on pit bikes. Today was all about building confidence and getting on a geared bike, because I'm the idiot who took an automatic driving test. So it's about learning body positioning, clutch control, and seeing a behind the scenes of what it really takes to get into racing. There were some amazing kids down at Lockwell Hill karting track, and honestly I couldn't believe their setups and the skill that they had acquired in such a short time. I'm on a mission to show you can get into racing at any age with zero experience, because I've got my first race in July, and next year we're going club racing.
Okay, so we're here down at, where are we?
Lockwell Hill.
Lockwell Hill, down in Nottingham near Mansfield. And Reese is the guy that is showing me my first ever attempt at riding somewhat of a race bike. These things are mint, the little tiny bikes. Yeah. Literally aim sized. Tell us how you got into all this.
So pretty much did a bit of racing in my past, did alright, enjoyed it. So then Kyle, good mate of mine, so we started up a little training academy thing for the kids, and then he's just got busy with racing stuff, obviously winning championships left, right and centre.
Nice.
So he's just kind of said we take carry on for me, and then he comes back when he can. So yeah, just coaching the kids and they love it. It's good.
So hopefully I'm going to be better than these kids.
Well, you'll see later when they get you.
Yeah, do you know, I've got high hopes, honestly, after motocross. There's like literally children about this tall, and then these tiny little bikes flying past me. Yeah. I've not got high hopes, but we'll give it a go.
I'm struggling with the kids now, so it's good. They are that fast, I'm struggling, so yeah.
They've got no fear, but yeah, let's do this.
Okay, hang on. Ready? So, main thing is for me, don't use that one. Use that rear brake, you're gonna, so let's not have none of that. So yeah, we don't no rear brakes. So just like motocross you've been riding.
So there's no rear brake?
No rear brake at all.
Brake as it is.
Even better. I've never used it on that one, ever. Brake pads are brand new, so it's good. It's good.
That's it.
That's it, oh god. Throttle's a quarter turn throttle, so it's quite responsive. So it's nice and easy on that throttle for me. The smoother you are, the steadier you are, the faster you'll go. The easier it'll be.
Smooth.
Smooth is fast. Okay. Smooth always fast.
Just got to get used to going in a straight line first.
That's it. So I'm going to drop you in third. Well, I'll drop you in second to start with, so make sure you get comfy. And look, I'll put the cones out for you later on. Everywhere you look, you will go.
Yes.
Like, so if you look left, you'll go left, don't you? Just like that's how the bike concept is. So try and stick to that kind of method. So if you want to go to the apex, look to the apex. Then look for your exit, and then look. You keep looking, you'll keep coming to 10 points.
Yes.
Nice and easy. Then just wind that throttle nice and steady. So the gears are all the way down is neutral, and then up for first, up for second, up for third. So it's like race gearbox style thing. So all the way down is neutral. Get on it then.
I can't move in these levels.
Not quite far, but yeah, I feel like you sound the tank, but it's going to be the comfiest way for you because they kind of separating the weight nicely. Because you're in a small wheelbase, you don't wheel as much then. So you need to keep on your toes and then just work your way around nice and steady from there. And then we'll start doing body positioning after that. So, jump on it for me. Oh, easy. Right. So clutch in all the way. Then go up too far, put it in gear for you. There we go. More gas.
The first few laps were painfully slow. Like, I was just getting used to the bike, taking it steady, and getting the hang of what it feels like to be on this specific bike. It's different.
Yeah, we're nearly. You gotta stall it. If you don't stall it, you're not trying hard enough. It's a bit of a nightmare to start this one.
What, do we do it?
Yeah, there we go. On, see, ready? I don't need to run away with yourself just yet. So I'd rather be a little bit juddery, a bit like, what's that feeling? But at least then you know you can accelerate, go faster. Yeah? So if you keep that gas on and a bit more momentum, it won't judder as much. More gas, bit more gas, bit more gas, bit more gas. Pissed it.
What I found quite important was just getting a feel for the bike at first, and any bike I've been on since I've had the same. So rather than going straight in trying to learn positioning or getting fast, just kind of go slow. You're gonna look like an idiot, it's your first time, have a bit of fun with it. And do you know what, as the day went on, I started to get the hang of the whole leaning thing and like body positioning, but as you can see, I'm nowhere near where you would want to be riding a bike on a track, but it's all part of learning.
You nearly did it already, you can't fit. You kind of get in the body positioning right already. You're starting to like move across a little bit, move this way and stuff like that. So you're kind of doing it already to be fit.
If I was going moving, I was just going to fall out under me.
That's it, it's because you're going so slow.
Right, okay.
That's all it is. So the difference between like this one and that one, that's like superbike, you see, kind of close to the floor. So it's easy, whereas this one, you kind of, you settle taller, it's a bit harder, isn't it, to get your knee down? So you probably get your knee down easier on that one over this one. But see, that's why it feels weird.
I'm going to fall off it.
No, you're not. You're all right.
I'm telling you.
It is what it is.
Tight corner. I can just see it.
The left-hander. So I see what you're doing with it. You're kind of coming in tight. So the corner's like, it kind of comes back on itself. So you need to come in later, and then you'll exit further. This is where I'll teach apexes later. But let's get these gears. Forget what you're doing with the cornering.
Okay.
You've just done like 3 laps on your own without even a sweat.
It's easy going forward.
There you go then. You should hopefully only go forwards. Let's get started.
When do I change gear?
So when you feel like you're not in car, you can hear the car revving.
I drive us fast.
Yeah, but you can hear the auto revving, can't you?
I don't know, to put my foot down more.
I don't know what's wrong with it. So yeah, a bit more, and then when you're like, oh, I need not getting any faster, he's revving, then change gear then.
Yeah, but I'm going around the corners. This is what I don't. It's like I can change gear like I'm actually thick.
Yep.
Going around the corners, like I need to slow down. So do I shift down again?
Shift down a gear, yeah. So if you feel like I'm coming into a bit fast and it's a bit chuddery, go down a gear. This is where. So when you're coming up here and you want to go into third, where are you going?
Up.
Yes. And when you're coming down, when you go into corner, where are you going?
Down.
There we go. Up one, down one. Got it, got it, got it. Oh. This is the hardest bit, starting it.
I know, I hate them.
Oh, yes! What a result. All right, clutch in. Right, we're in second.
Do you want to just jump gears the whole time?
I'm from round doing this. So you might have been first then. That's it. On your bigger bikes, have a gear indicator. On these, you won't.
After I got a feel for the bike, I really wanted to hack this leaning, body positioning, actually getting around the corners with a little bit more style. Maybe more MotoGP style and not just poodling about on a pit bike. Do you know what? I felt like I was flying. I felt like I was going so fast, and this is the point where I decided it was mission get my knee down. I didn't quite realise I'd need more speed, but I was definitely getting the hang of leaning the bike, moving the bike, and the way it feels. So I'd just say take it slow. Take it at your own pace, and you soon pick it up. If I can do it.
See, you're coming in quite tight, you are, into the left-hander there. So try and come in a bit closer.
Right, yeah, I can see that.
You're coming in really close, so try and come a bit wider into it, and then you're doing the motocross thing. All motocross people do it. Look down there. Look, you're looking front wheel for.
I was actually...
We're going up there.
I don't feel like I was doing that.
You did it. Only in that left-hander you do it. So then that's when you're like, oh, you're struggling.
Yeah.
Look up the track. Look to where you want to go. Then gas it.
Wait a minute, it's hard work. My arms hurt. It's actually quite straightforward, but I keep forgetting to use the gears. What have I learnt from this? Don't do an automatic car licence. Don't learn motocross before you learn to ride a road bike. All I can see is me getting too confident, and this is going sliding that way, and I'm going over those tyres.
It's going to be a set of them which are about £3.50.
No, it's not the bike I'm worried about. It's just me. How fast am I going, do you reckon?
About 10 mile an hour.
Is that it?
Probably a bit more down here.
Wait, what? Really? Is that it?
Yeah.
40 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I'm actually doing that?
No, you're not.
No.
Oh. I need to get faster.
Faster.
Should I go to fourth gear?
No. You'll be able to pull off then.
Huh?
You'll be able to pull off. You'll be very hard pulling off. Really hard.
Oh, wait, I wasn't supposed to be changing gears the whole time. I thought I was just staying in second and third, but third were just working, so I just stayed with
You're
it.
stuck with it.
Yeah.
Go to fourth.
How many gears have I got?
4.
Oh, right, sound.
4 stop gear. So my normal down here, I'm in here in second. I go third, fourth where that bottom of the corner is, and I'm back to second for turn 1.
Is it going to like do that thing where the front jumps if I go too fast?
No.
Because my motocross bike did that, I shit
If
it.
you crack the throttle whilst you're trying to pull off and do it, yeah.
What happens if it does that when I'm riding it? That was cool.
There we go.
Is that too high of a gear?
So that was too high a gear, yeah. So
Right. So what gear was I in?
Your guess is right. That was about 4th.
Oh, so I did get into fourth. I thought I was in second.
Have a look.
We have this image in our head about bike racing. You go fast, drag knee, the danger, fast corners, and it looks like something you're born with. But the truth is, we can all learn. Before you can look cool, you do have to nail the basics, and pit bikes are mega for that. Learning to move, lean, everything's over-exaggerated, like your body positioning. It's the foundations that you'll take onto your big bike, and every racer at any level should train on one. My biggest issue was learning gears. Yes, I know I'm a wet wipe for doing an auto license, but once that was nailed, the confidence spiked. Big sports bikes, they can mask mistakes, but these little things make you really bring out technique. You have to have so much trust in the machine and push it to the limits. That is what racing is. I was very much humbled as all the kids started to join, because these guys were insanely talented. They've got no fear, they do not care, and nothing makes you want to go faster than a 9-year-old lapping you, dragging his knee the first lap he does.
Alright, so I'm here with Joey. Now Joey is an absolute badass on the bike. He has actually got a full race set up. How old are you again? 9?
Yeah.
That's insane, 9 years old. I seen him come on this track, knees down straight away, he's going for it. Insane. How'd you get into it? Why? What's the explain?
My dad and my uncle started riding, then my dad just
Got you into it?
bought me an offset, then I went on Pellini, then I went to a blatter, then onto these.
How'd you find it? You've got to enjoy it.
Yeah.
You here 3 times a week?
Twice.
It's getting really busy now. I'm quite scared to go out. What's your advice for me?
You know when you're going into corners, don't go wide, go tighter.
What am I doing wrong? Because you've seen me ride, haven't you? How bad is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
6.
I mean, that's not as bad as it could be. So I need to stop going as wide. I don't know how to use the gears either. Have you got gears on these?
Yeah.
How'd you find that?
Fun. It's a lot better than without a clutch and gear. 110, normal 110, O'Reilly. Then that one's an Evo 110. Then the third one's a Evo 160.
And one of them's for wet, dry and smells.
Wet, dry, but this one's our brain. I rode that one this morning.
It's been on this one this morning. You've got like proper kit. You've got like all the sponsors and everything. You're smashing it. MotoGP rider. You saw me at first. Is actually not as hard as I thought. The whole thing is actually quite easy once you get used to it. You just got to go for it and just like send it, which I've been saying this whole time. Everyone's like, you can't do that. No, you can't. Just send it. So now I found Daisy, another girl in the sport. Daisy, how did you get into this?
I mostly copied my dad.
Your dad. And how long has your dad been racing for? 25 years. So Dad's been racing 25 years. Daisy's decided, you know what, I want a bit of that. And are you going to go MotoGP? That's how it's supposed to be. Is there any girls in MotoGP? Is there? Well, maybe you're the next one. So how do you find it then? You having a good session today?
Yeah, I've only just got here.
What are you going to work on? What's like the one thing you have to try and figure out?
The corner speed.
Corner speed. Do you know I'm struggling with that too? I want to get my knee down. Have you got your knee down today? She knows what she's doing. There was a kid before and he literally looked me up and down and went, I'll beat you.
What bike are you riding?
That one over there, the blue one. Right, what are the tips on yours then? If I was riding yours, what would I got to do?
You have to do that. To use your ankle to try to spread out your knee to get it down.
Right, okay, I don't think I'm doing that very well. How's Joey doing?
He's about to go and smoke me. He's put a new set of tyres in. I hate it when this does this because he does always beat me and it's a bit concerning really.
It is concerning how good he is. Like, he was having a really good run with James. Got a video of him
Yeah.
racing James. It's just nuts.
And when he can start his bike anyway.
What does he need to work on? Like, what's he struggling with at the moment?
So his head gets the better of it. He overthinks too much. He processes things too much. He's fast as anything. He can go fast. He thinks too much about it.
I mean, he looks the part, doesn't he?
Yeah. Battles his own head with it, but yeah, it's good.
How am I doing?
Well, we're getting knee down before you go, aren't we? If you're not getting knee down, then you can't leap, so...
There's actually some crazy kids down at this track. I'm in shock. I'm here with two, I'm going to say, the best riders here. These two are nuts. So the straight that you're going down here, you're going 100 mile an hour. What's your name?
Alfie.
Alfie and
Jensen.
Alfie and Jensen, nuts. All right, how did you get into it?
I don't know, just
fell into it.
yeah.
Did you? Why did you start racing?
I was watching TV and I thought I want to have a go, so I just carried on there and I thought it was better and better and better.
So do you both race in the races, or are you just practicing?
Races.
Okay, nice. So have we had a win yet? What's the deal?
I've got a championship and a win.
And a win. So this is the real deal. And you?
I've not really won any yet. But,
Are we getting there?
yeah.
So how long have you been racing?
This is like my first year.
How long have you been going on it for?
Yeah. 1 year.
A year as well. I don't think I'm going to be able to keep up. If this is what's going to MotoGP next, I think I'm done for. So my goal is to race next year. Do you think I'm going to be able to?
Yeah.
I like them. I like them. Done now. He's broken it. What happened?
I was going down straight and then it just caught straight up.
So for the rest of the session, I was literally just focusing on trying to get my knee down. Now, everyone kept telling me to put my knee out. I didn't do that. I really thought I was, I didn't. Towards the end of the day, I had James and Reese coaching me over the phone through my AirPods in the helmet so that I could try and get better at this whole cornering thing. There were some times I got a little bit closer, but I mean, it was a bit of a reach first time on a bike to decide to try and get my knee down. Do you know what though? I'm super proud of what I did, and I think it just shows that you can actually go out, get it done, have a go. And if you've got no experience, I mean, look, I had a great time, a great day, met some amazing little kids, you know, who are literally smashing it when it comes to racing. And I would highly recommend anybody who wants to go into bikes or racing or even just road bikes, go learn your control on a pit bike because it is so beneficial. And honestly, the second time I've been out on a bike since this, I felt so much better. So it's just all about learning, carrying on, and here's my best attempt at getting my knee down.